What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Y'all see, hey, the last few videos, man, I had this straw hat on, cause it be too hot, man. It too hot for the A hat, man. It too hot just to rock the bald head out, cause it gonna cook your head be on fire. So I been, boy, it's straw hat, man. Billy Thorne let me borrow his hat. My people that ain't been around a long time, they don't know who Billy Thorne is, man. But boy, Billy Thorne let me borrow his hat, man. But today, I'm finally gonna pop the hood on this thing, man. I'm finally gonna pop the hood on this thing. Right here. Finally gonna pop the hood on this nag, man. Let y'all see what's under here. I'm gonna let y'all see what's under here. Still, look at that, I need to buy this. I need to get that piece right there. I just be noticing stuff. I need to get that so it's sealed good. I just be walking around the car noticing stuff, man. I done ordered stuff. I'm ready to get this thing going, man. So I'm gonna pop the hood on it and then tell y'all what I got planned for this nag drivetrain wise. But I'm gonna pop the hood on it for right now. And I'll tell y'all and show y'all this thing. So true. Hold on, y'all. I just be noticing stuff. Looking at something there. But yeah, I got. Look, boy. Hey, happen every time. You do that head close. Then if I hand lock the door, the joker would have closed. But yeah, I'm gonna tell y'all what I got planned for this thing too, drivetrain wise. Cause like I said, I'm gonna take this one. Man, I just noticed it. God damn. That joker busted. I just noticed that. I'm seriously just now noticing this header panel busted. Damn. So now I got to get that. I really didn't notice that. I'm thinking I just got to buy fenders. Oh boy. Man, a fender don't be that bad. But find these right here. Find these for a Regal. Boy, maybe with my network now it won't be so bad, but damn, I got to get that, man. I can't get painted till I get that. I got to get that. I'm gonna check my boy J Hall. He might be able to find one. God, I really didn't know that. Yeah, I got to get that, man. Cause I'm finna get this thing painted. But like I was telling y'all on the other vlog, I got planned for this. They're gonna be faster than this one right here, R&B. So man, all these, boy, these car covers so big right here. All that water running, I just be noticing stuff. My bad, y'all. I be all over the place. Car cover so big, but I like it though. They cover the whole car. I love these things. Keep the car dry. All of that. I ain't even crunked this up, and I ain't crunked John Jones up in 2 weeks. Battery probably dead. Then another reason I don't be driving the car, I don't want to have to dig it out. Look, I had to get all this out and uncover it just to move it. That's why I switch them up sometimes. But anyway, I ain't gonna stall y'all, man. We finna pop the hood. Alright, boy, that turned into a state of emergency. It wasn't even a game. Boy, some dirt or something had got in my eye, boy. I couldn't see. Alright, now we back. So alright, y'all, here we go. Time to show y'all this engine. So here we go. 1, 2, 3. Boom, there it is. Yeah, look what we have here. Look what we have here. Oh yeah. So we got a Gen 1 small block G-body. And then we got a fuel injected LS powered G-body. And y'all see, boop boop, everything hooked up. I gotta toy that joker up, man. I gotta see what's to it though. Why it don't come on, cause we gotta get that to blow. But anyway, yeah, y'all see it, man. Y'all do see it. We got LS powered G-body. We got the carbureted LS over there. Then we got the fuel injected LS right here swap. Then you know we got John Jones of course still in the fleet. So yeah, man, we got LS power. Now it's some stuff that I got to address with this. So this thing definitely need a tune. It need a tune, man. It run, but it won't run long. When it warm up, get operating temperature, that joker will shut off. So it definitely need a tune, which I already got that scheduled. They're going to see my boys. They tune Camaro, so that's why I've been kind of holding up on bolting stuff up, because it's pointless if the thing not going to stay running and all of that, because it need a tune, man. So I just know that zip tie too. It need to bolt this stuff, but it need a tune. So we got to get that done, man. We got to get the tune done. It got a tune on it, but it need retune. It need cleaning up. So that's one reason why I ain't really going crazy on it yet, cause it got to run A1 like a top, man. And it can have a little more power, so it definitely needs some tuning. Y'all see we got to get this off too. The filter toe all up, and it's not clamped on either. It ain't got no clamp on it, so got to address that. Transmission is an overdrive. That's why I said, that's why I tell you on the other video the way I'm geared, cause it's an overdrive. It's a 4L80 in here, overdrive transmission. So you know this joker here go up the highway now, but we got to get it tuned first. So ain't nothing happening until it get tuned, man. It got to be tuned or whatever. So we got that. It now I can show y'all here, cause I've been hiding so not to get away. I can't remember if somebody noticed it in the video where I showed the car, but let me show y'all. It got the Holly on it. I forgot to show y'all. I got the digital dash, the Dakota digital already in it. I forgot to show y'all that. But performance wise, what I'm gonna do to it, I got to take this shifter out. I'm about to order a shifter. I got to get that taken out, cause I think that's the hammer, B&M hammer shifter, and I think it will work with overdrive. You change the gate on it, but I'm gonna order a new shifter. So I have the base and all of that stuff, man. I'm gonna order a brand new fresh one. So we got that. But like I said, LS powered, man, fuel injected. It just minor stuff. The main thing is getting it tuned. I got to get it down there, let them tune it, and then they gonna tell me what's what. Cause them boys official. They gonna tell me what's what. And when they come back, they're just gonna be doing what it's supposed to do all the way. When they come back, all of this will be fixed, and they ain't gonna take long anyway. All that'll be straight for a couple of days. So that's why I ain't making a move on nothing. And stuff like the rear end, I'm gonna go ahead and get the rear end done. I can go ahead and get that done and all that type stuff, but I'm not doing nothing else. And I'm really not worried about nothing else until the tune gets situated, and then it start running even better like it's supposed to, and I can find out why it cuts off when it runs the hot operating temperature, and then it won't fire back up until it cools off. So I got to figure that out, which I ain't worried about none of that. Y'all know when it comes to mechanical stuff, this small thing to a giant. That's what it matters. That's why I always do my cars like that. You got to have them running right before you do anything. It's pointless if you ain't got your car running right. You can't drive it. It's pointless. So that got to get situated first. That's really why I ain't just went crazy spending a whole lot of money, cause I got to pay to get the tune straightened out. So he did do car packs. I see he got the Street Fighter car packs and stuff, wires, and you know, it's a nice swap. It's a neat swap now. Don't get me wrong. It's a neat swap. It look pretty good. I mean, that right there can be cleaned up. I'm gonna clean that up. Put it in looms and stuff, you know, have it cleaned up. But it's for the most part, this is a neat swap. This is a neat swap, man. I mean, it's a great job. Just like brown coat is a super neat swap. But all in all, y'all see it. What is it? Undisclosed cubic inches for right now. Y'all know how I do. Y'all know how I do, man. I can't tell you. Don't nobody still know what brown coat. I still ain't told y'all what brown coat is. I think I told the BCG Hangout. They know, but everybody's doing. I still ain't said what brown coat is. But yeah, man. Y'all, hey, we gonna have some smoke in the city. I'm gonna go in on this one, man. I'm gonna pep this one up. Cause I got my cruiser right there. We got a little pep in it, but I'm gonna pep this one up higher than that one right there. I'm gonna pep this one up higher. So you know, I told y'all we're gonna have a complete variety and good balance in the fleet, man. And I probably, y'all know I can't stay NA, man. I'm gonna stick a power out on it. I gotta put some. I'm gonna try nitrous. Be my first time trying fuel injected with nitrous. So I'm gonna try some nitrous, man. Put some gas on that joker, and then let it go. So we got some plan, man. You know, we got a good base. We got a good starting base. But I'm finna put my touch on it. Take the rest of the way. Probably like 65% right now. I said drivetrain. We still got stuff we gotta address. I gotta do a drive shaft, bigger drive shaft, bigger rim, cause this engine might not even stay in there. You never know. You never know. I might pep it up even higher. But and you know, I got stuff I gotta do. So cross member, bigger drive shaft. Y'all know about the rim. I talked about that in the other video. We gotta get the tack. I got to have the tack. And we gonna get retuned. Which at the time y'all seeing it probably already down there getting some action done, getting something done to it. So, you know, that's what we gotta do. That's what we gotta do, man. So yeah, 4L80, undisclosed cubic inches right there. Y'all know you got different things that can be the base or whatever. It can be the base or whatever, but you know, if you know what you know, then you can kind of take a stab at what it could be, but you don't know the insides and all that. Cause you can take a 5.3 and make it, that joke can get pretty big. You can take a 6.0, make it big, you know. 4.8, stuff, man, you let your mind wander. You can do a lot with these things. But like I said, good variety, man, cause fuel injected, turbo up there, supercharged Gen 1, small block nitro, big block nitro going over there, carb LS nitrous, cause I ain't got the kit put on. Then we're gonna have fuel injected LS nitro, fuel injected nitro, fuel injected turbo, carb nitrous. That mean I gotta get an LS and do carb turbo, don't I? I gotta do a carb turbo, and then we still gotta do a centrifugal blower. Then I have all variety. That's why I told you I'm gonna have 10 cars. I'm gonna have 10 cars when all said and done, man. But yeah, y'all see. Let y'all get a good look at it. I know it kind of dark, but that joker definitely look pretty in there, man. It look pretty in there, but I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna go ahead and have this straight before. See that joker pull right off of there. I'm gonna go ahead and get that straight before I even take it down there, so they ain't got to worry about that. Look at this lady coming back. What you think about the new ride?
I like it. I love it.
You what?
I said I love it.
Think we need to keep it.
Really? Yes.
She be talking about me. Look, every time I get a call, she like, what you gonna do with it? Now she'll ask me what I'm gonna do with one of the other ones. What you gonna do with it? Then I end up wanting to keep them. That one right there definitely going though, the Pro Mod. The Pro Mod going, y'all. But yeah, man, this is it. This is it. I told y'all, man, I ain't gonna try to hold y'all out. I could have made y'all wait longer to see the engine. I could have made y'all wait longer to see the engine, man. Like I said, it got Terminator X on it. I mean, ain't nothing else to talk about. I'm gonna take it down there. And the thing about it, when it go down, my God, it's hot. Woo! Good God Almighty, boy, that joke was hot. But the thing about it, when they go down there, they gonna tell me what it is. They gonna tell me what it. Hey, Jay, you might need to do this. This right here needs some attention. That's what I like about it. This right here probably needs some attention. They'll just tune it, but they gonna tell me, hey, you might wanna you might want to give this some attention, then you make the call on if you want to do it or not. So that's why I ain't doing nothing. I'm gonna put the lights in, but I want to get it down there ASAP. This just got to be running right. When I get it back and it running like a top, then I'm gonna go in. So drivetrain all the way first, man. So I'm taking it down there. We're gonna get it tuned, retuned, and then we're gonna see what's to it, man. So that's one reason why I don't want to crank it up and let y'all hear it now, cause it ain't gonna sound the same. It's not gonna sound the same. But I might sleep on it, man. I might sleep on it, then let y'all hear it anyway. Before I might do that, I might let y'all. But right now, my mind saying, nah, just wait till it get like the true tunes. So, but I don't know, man. If I do change my mind, y'all see the video, it'll pop up. You'll see the title and all that good stuff. But yeah, that's it, man. I want to show y'all the engine. That's it. I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.